Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We are in the Wellington CBD, lots of buses around, but we're about to take something that's not a bus over here, Cable Car Lane, right in the middle of the city. You can walk down this little lane and there's a cable car service apparently. I don't know why it's called cable car though, it's literally a funicular railway, not a cable being pushed up, which you can access, but that's not like public transport, it's more a tourist thing, so you need a separate ticket and it's quite expensive, but we'll just go on it. So I already got the ticket. Let's see if it works.
Brought you to Australia from Slovenia. Okay.
Kia ora koutou katoa. Nau mai, haere mai, ki te waka taura o Pone. Welcome aboard the Wellington Cable Car. The cable car has been operating since 1902, carrying locals and visitors alike. If you look to your left as we exit the tunnel, you'll see our transition mural showing cable cars past and present. The original cars, known as the Red Rattlers, made their last run in 1978 with the current funicular system opening in 1979. Since then, the cars have completed over 1 million trips. The lights in the next two tunnels were installed in 2014. We can program them with light shows that mark festivals, charitable events and special occasions. We're now approaching Talavera Station and the passing loop where the track splits into two. The cars have sets of double-flanged and flat wheels, always guiding car 1 through the south part of the loop to your left and car 2 through the north to your right. We welcome you to visit the free Cable Car Museum by the Kelvin Terminal to find out more about the cable car and how it works, and to see two of the vintage cars. You'll soon be arriving at the Kelvin Paikaka Terminal, with great views across the city and harbour. Close by you'll find the free Cable Car Museum, Cabletop Eatery, Victorian Perfumery, entrance to the Botanic Gardens and Space Place. The free shuttle to Zealandia leaves from the front of the terminal. Once the car has come to a stop, you will be exiting to the left. If you have return tickets, please board the car when you're ready to go back downhill. The cars depart every 10 minutes. We hope you've enjoyed your journey on the Wellington Cable Car. If you would like to leave us some feedback, scan the QR codes located on the car or use the tablet in the terminal. Kia pai te rā, ka kite ana.
terminated right at the top of the hill. Very short trip, but there's literally random stations in between which no one uses. I don't get. There's like one person using them. Why would you use this as a public transport service to get to random houses in the middle? It's so like it's way too expensive for that. It's so dumb. Literally $26 just to go up here. Oh, where's that? Yeah, here's the view of the city from the top. You can see the cable there which pulls it all the way up and down. A bit of information of all the things you can do up here. The Botanical Gardens of Wellington are right out here. And here is the museum for the cable car, which is actually free. So we're gonna go inside here as well and quickly take a look in there. And then we might go for a bit of a walk. Bus here. This is a free shuttle bus actually, which operates to I don't know what that is, Zealandia. It's some attraction as well. And it's just a normal bus though, but it's free, which is cool. And here we are in the museum. There's a lot of information here. I'm just gonna scan over it quickly. Pause it if you want to read it, I guess. But anyway, here's another one of the old cars. This one you can't go inside this one, but you can see it there. These were really cool with the benches on the end and the driver in the middle. And here's an example of how the cables function underneath on the wheels. They're actually moving, but that's obviously not the real thing. It's just an example. Anyway, I'm not gonna film all the signs in here. You can come here yourself one day. I'm just quickly showing what the cable car even is, because I couldn't even find the video of it online. Well, maybe I probably didn't search properly, but yep. This is downstairs in the museum.
1904, engineers carried out the initial test run just before double-decker track was approved to ride down a section of track from
Kia ora koutou katoa. No mai, hoki mai ki te Wakatora or Poriki. Welcome aboard the Wellington Cable Car. We will now descend 119 metres along the 609 metre long track into the heart of the city. The 13-ton weight of this car outpulled the other uphill, making the cable car one of the most energy efficient forms of transport. Since 2022, we have been certified as a net carbon zero business. The lights in the tunnels were installed in 2014. We can programming with light shows that mark festivals, charitable events, and special occasions.
Off goes the cable car from the second last stop. Yeah, these stops are so random. Like, who the hell uses this stop? It's literally next to a car park. That's why they actually have bells on the cable car that you can ring, and no one got off anywhere except me getting off here at Clifton. This is like a joke, like someone's trying to make fun, like make a fun railway for no reason. But we can see the lights in the tunnels right here, all the way up to the top. So there's the operating hours and the prices. Oh, please pay the driver cash only. Oh, apparently it says that here, but at the top it says just pay at the bottom. Anyway, look how cool this is. This is so cool. All the stops in the middle are actually request stops. So you can literally request for uphill, request for downhill. So I'm gonna press this now. Request for downhill, and it's lit up now, which means the next downhill cable car will be stopping here in about 4 minutes, and we'll just take it back down to the main terminal, because there's actually no way to walk there. I realized you can't even get down. There's no way to walk down. It's right there, but I have to wait for the next one. Bus right there on the freeway. As I said, that's the main freeway, and the cable car is coming up now. We're gonna see the uphill service first, which I didn't request, so it shouldn't stop. Had to stop for a few seconds waiting for the clearance, because they have to meet in the middle station, and sometimes this one will skip the station, but then the one going down won't skip it, and then they'll be untimed. So still got my request lit up here. I don't know how it signals that to the driver though. Is there actually a system like that? There definitely wasn't before, but now with these new ones, there's... What the hell? Why did they go to the other side? They went into the right-hand track this time. Before, when we went up, we heard No. We heard that car 2 always goes on the right, car 1 always goes on the left. I thought it meant the downhill one always goes on that side. But no, they have a specific side. So each of those cars has never been to one of those stops. There, they passed it, like one of those platforms. They passed each other coming down now. This will be our service. Literally just like 50 meters down or 100 meters down, but car 1. Yeah.
When the car comes to a stop, you'll be exiting to the right. Please hand your ticket to your stand on the exit gate. We hope you've enjoyed your trip. If you would like to purchase a souvenir, please see our staff ticket kiosks by the exit gates. If you'd like to leave us some feedback, scan QR codes located on the car. Kia pai te rā, pakite angu.
And yeah, that's the Wellington Cable Car now, and there's a good video. I mean, at least there is a video of it online. I'm just gonna run the last section back down. Now, it's really weird though, because you only have to go through the fare gates at the bottom, which means you could literally get on it for free for that section if you wanted to, which I bet people probably do that because no one even checks. So it's only if you're using the city station that you have to pay. Anyway, I need to find my way back down, but I just wanted to use one of the intermediate stations. See, look at that view. When do you see a track on a hill like that? And that's the main Wellington freeway as well, right on the top. That is so cool. Thanks for watching this video. Quick one on one of the weird modes of transport here. We'll see all the rest of the train stuff now. Probably since I'm going to film another line now. Bye!